Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll quickly look at how you can use inheritance in Java for you to make your life easier and basically reuse some of the code or make your code less redundant. Okay, so to continue with the current example only, let's say we have a object known as car and uh, and there is one more class known as vehicle. Okay, and let's say this vehicle object contains an attribute known as uh, type. Okay, and one more variable known as wheels. Okay, what I'll do is I'll quickly right click, generate the getter and setter of the for the two attributes. Okay, so my vehicle class is ready. Now, logically speaking, what you can do is car is basically a type of vehicle. So you have to basically, when you're defining your entities, you have to see logically which entity could be a parent for the other one, okay? Or which entity could be a child for the other class. So here, car can inherit from vehicle, okay? So what you would put is car extends vehicle, okay? This is the way you can have inheritance done with Java. So you give an extends keyword with the class name. Okay. So with extends, what can happen? Let's see. I go to our main class, which is the basics class. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to set for my car. Now see what other functions have become available. So you have other functions known as set wheels also. So generally car will have four wheels. Okay. So let me give a 4 here. So 4 is not working. Let me put it as string only. So data types is something which we can look into later. That is not important right now. So you see, in the same car, my car instance, I see set wheels function also getting available for me to set. And as you would have noticed, you don't have set wheels defined under car. You have it defined under vehicle. Okay, since we use the extends keyword, we are able to use some of the attributes uh, you know from the parent class, which is vehicle here. Okay, and car is nothing but the child class. Okay, and we can also set the type, which is um, passenger vehicle. Okay, something like that. Okay, so and similarly you can also try to get the type here. You can print the type. Okay, and this will work. Let's quickly look at that. So you see, we have passenger vehicle getting printed and the Wagoner for the other instance, that is your car. Similarly, your car would also have these functions available for it to set, and also the getters for you to retrieve the value of any of those attributes. Okay. Um, let's say we have one more class known as bike. Okay, and bike also extends from vehicle. Okay, and let's say bike has an attribute known as name, and we can have getter and setter for this variable. Okay, now let's go to the basics class and try to create one instance for this bike. Okay, So bike is equal to bike, new bike. My bike. Okay, so you basically have to import that class here. Okay, it would ask you, you can just click on that. Okay, now see what gets available with my bike. So my bike dot set name, because let's say it is discover, because you have the name attribute being available with bike class. Okay, what else is available? Set type is available. Okay, which is again, you can put a passenger here. Okay, you have dot set wheels. Wheels are generally two for a bike. Okay, do you have mileage available? Let's see. Dot set. No, there is no mileage available. Do you have brand available? No, there is no brand function, set brand function also available. That is because bike has inherited the two properties from class vehicle, but bike and car are like siblings, okay, of parent vehicle. So in Java, you cannot inherit from a sibling. Okay, so although you have created properties and functions in car, those properties and attributes can't be inherited directly to your other sibling, which is bike. Okay, so bike has easily inherited, the attributes from the parent class, but is not able to do it from the other child class. And obviously it is able to use the attribute which is getting created inside its own class. Okay, which was name in this case. Okay, hope this was informative. That's what I wanted to cover in this video, how you can use inheritance in Java. So extends is the keyword, and just remember how you can use it, looking at this lecture. So I'll end it here. We'll look at some other topic in the next one. I'll see you uh, in the next video. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Uh, for the code, link is there in the description. And if you need any help in building large scale software solutions or AI automation solutions, you can get on a quick consultation call. Again, link is there in the description. So until next time, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.